Hi guys, it's boreazx. I have my zippo and sun's going down. I had another trick to show y'all. It's called the hot swing. And what it is it's pretty much what it is. It's hot and swing. So here's the trick. If I can light it. You just swing it around and close it. That's about it. And hot swing, there's various ways of doing it. I usually do it like this. Trying to keep it lit. It's kind of windy out here, so it won't keep lit the whole entire time. And I'm starting to get a smoky smell. If you do get a smoky smell from your Zippo while it's lit, that means the wick's kind of dry and it's burning the metal and wick. So it doesn't give you a good smell. Like if you like the Zippo gas smell, it doesn't give a good smell. It kind of jacks up. That means you just put a few drops on your wick or fill it with gas and let it wait for a second or two. With the Zippo does get hot really fast since it's ignited with the wick. I do recommend after a while just set it on the table, back off, let it cool down, put it away, do something. Don't put it in its case if it's hot. Just wait for it to cool down. That's my video on the hot swing, and subscribe up above and comment down below. Thank you. Bye.